Hi, this is Sriram. This is my first data science assignment. I have done a simple Python programming using Spider. The functionality of the program is to perform few arithmetic operations, which serves as a basic calculator. The program gets two integer inputs from the user to perform those operations. Few lines of code are taken from sanfoundry.com, which is given in line number 3. I'll walk through the code. Class calculator is created and it's initialized. There are different methods in the class such as add, subtract, multiply, and divide. These methods are defined inside the class and they return the corresponding functionality when the input is given by the user. The class has a function called numbers between. This is used to demonstrate the usage of a for loop. Uh, this prints the numbers between the two integer inputs that is given by the user. Say, and to demonstrate the uses of to demonstrate the use of few predefined functions such as type, length, and address, I have created a function called prop which prints the properties of the inputs given by the user. This is where the code starts executing from line number 30. The user is prompted to input two integers. The class calculator is called, and the user is prompted to enter a choice of arithmetic operation he wishes to perform. He can choose among 6 choices. If he wants to exit the program, the input should be 0. If the user gives any other input, it will say it's an invalid choice. I will end the program. Uh, the first number is 10, second number is 20. The operation I want to perform is multiplication, so I choose 3. So the result is 200. 10 into 20 is 200. If I want to print the numbers between these two numbers, I give option 5, which says 10 to 20. To know something more about the numbers, I give option 6, which displays few properties about the numbers. If I give any other choice, it says it's an invalid choice. To exit the program, I press 0. Thanks.